Alright, we're starting a video. We're entering the pond. I did this once before. Okay, here's the junkyard. Here's the train tracks right beside me, like I told you about before. Here's the baseball field, which is not too far either. And if you, I'm going to zoom in, okay? Now, zoom, 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 zoom. Well, way back that way is a plant. As well, right now you're going to be hearing my ducks soon. Well, they're waiting for me. Well, there's a plant way back there. Well, I'll get to that. I may have to make more than one video, but okay, let's go. I'm going to walk a little bit, and if it's shaky, that's because I'm walking. But back further is houses. You're not going to see it right away. And if there's a train, I guarantee you. Oh, my ducks are coming in the baseball field. Ain't they cute? Can you see that? Oh, wait, you probably can't see shit. Okay, here they are. See, wait, there they come. See, they know I'm here. Yeah, say, the truck wagon. The truck wagon's here. Good morning. It's morning, or afternoon, actually. Hi, I didn't come in the morning. It's too cold. Hi, guys. Hi, how is everybody? Everybody's happy to see me. Hi, everybody. Hi, we're making a video. Hi. Guess what? I don't think Goosey's coming back, everybody. Do we miss Goosey? Yeah. Well, this is going to be a contribute video. Yeah. This is going to be a contribute video. Yes. Yes. Come on. It's our contribute video. See how those two ducks look like Daisy? Yeah, come on, guys. We're going to walk. Come on. Come on, don't be pushing. My little duck walkers. I love all of you. We miss Goosey, don't we? Yes, we do. Yeah. Here's an entrance for them to come out if they want to. Come on out, everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's my babies. Some will go that way, some will go this way. And some will cheat and fly. Anyway, give you more location. This is going to be my longest video. At least it's not windy.
I just want you to know that there's going to be times that I can come out here and spend time with you. And then there's other times that I can't. It has nothing to do with you. It's all together down here. But I just want you to know that I always love you. I will always love you. And happy. And whatever I can do, I will always try to be here. But I want you to fly with me. I want you to fly with me. I want you to fly with all the other bees and be happy and free. Yes. Yes, I'm hungry, but you're sweet. I'm such a little baby. And if I can, I will do whatever I can for you. As long as I can. Yes, you're getting sleepy. That's my baby. Yes, that's a good boy. Yes. I love you, sweet boy. That's my Goosey.
Signing off for now.